Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to play Monopoly Go with friends. So to play Monopoly Go with friends, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Monopoly Go account and install the application. When you're done installing it, then it's going to take you to this sort of page. So here, go ahead and click the icon that says friends. When you do that, it's going to show you a list of options in order to play with friends. So you could either use your contact or Facebook, or you could also go ahead and send an invitation. So in my case, I'm going to go with the contact. So when I press on it, it's going to ask you to go ahead and add a contact and access your contact info as well. So go ahead and press on add contact. Now type in the mobile number, and first thing, make sure to register it according to the country that you're residing on. And in order to verify your phone number, you have to go ahead and enter in the verification code that's going to be sent. So here, go ahead and paste in the verification code and tap the submit button. Now you could go ahead and invite your contact friends in order to play Monopoly Go. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.